Welcome to my channel. You'll find 4 AI tools that are far superior to ChatGPT after viewing this video. These tools have special qualities that set them apart from one another and ChatGPT, and they will all be very useful to you right away in your daily life. They can make you more efficient, enable you to make more money online, and let you work much more slowly overall. Watch this video to the end to see which tool is the best fit for you. I will link the AI tools in the description below. Cohesive AI is the first tool we'll discuss. They are among the greatest AI writing tools I've seen on the market so far, and obviously that helps the channel a lot. It's also one that nobody has ever heard of before, and they recently unveiled a fantastic new feature that I haven't seen on any other AI writing tool, which I will demonstrate to you right now. Cohesive AI is an AI writer that succeeds in making content creation incredibly simple. It can produce the necessary high-quality content quickly. Contrary to ChatGPT, this is the main dashboard, and it aids in providing instructions on how to create content. You can type any original prompt you think of, and the system will start to propose options as soon as you start typing. It will also present you with a number of alternative ideas if you choose Create New right here. In order to get you started, you may scroll down and pick from more than 150 different templates, including ones for YouTube Shorts, landing page copy, song lyrics, cold emails, Google advertising, and much more. To receive the results you want from ChatGPT, you must know how to prompt it appropriately, which can be quite challenging and time-consuming. Check out this, then. It will automatically generate the content for me if I want to compose a prompt for a YouTube script. Afterwards, I may click this button to have it continue writing and elaborate on this section of the information, translate the text into one of these 15 different languages, change the tone to my liking, summarize, lengthen, or altogether reword it. I can either upload my own image or one that was created by Cohesive AI, or I can import an image from the internet. I can just conduct a web search, choose, and post a picture right here. Here is the unique new feature, which is quite astounding. You may create a high-quality AI audio voice that will read the text aloud for you, section by section, if we click Generate AI Audio right here. In addition, there are many other voices available here. This is Rachel. Greetings from the future. In this video, I'll discuss how AI is transforming technology and is no longer simply science fiction. Even better, you can use any of the languages you use to translate your text for this. Josh should be tried in Japanese. It is practically impossible to tell that this voice is artificial. This is a capability I haven't seen in any other AI writer, and I haven't come across another AI tool that can produce audio in so many different languages. With the help of this new function, you may produce a ton of material without contributing any writing or vocal work of your own. Marketing, customer service, sales, personal writing, and many more applications benefit greatly from Cohesive AI. The most generous free plan available with Cohesive offers limitless words each month, or you can pay $15 per month for additional perks if you sign up for the yearly plan. Visit Cohesive AI for yourself to see just how potent this AI technology is. There is a link in description below. Now, this next AI tool is also amazing and potent. How little effort is required while utilizing it. It is known as Agent GPT. It functions as an extremely intelligent GPT AI chatbot. In the specialized tools they offer, they continue to employ ChatGPT. So after giving it some instructions and giving it a chance to work, you can let it go and let it be. I'll detail how everything operates. Now, there is another term you may be familiar with, AutoGPT. It's even more advanced because it runs directly on your computer, but installing it requires coding knowledge. However, Agent GPT took AutoGPT and transformed it into a publicly accessible website. The best aspect is that using it doesn't require any technical or coding knowledge. It is quite similar to ChatGPT, but it has far cooler features than ChatGPT. Let me demonstrate how it works. You will be directed to a website named Agent GPT when you click the link in the description below. Anyone is welcome to use the website. You can use this website primarily to assist in achieving a particular objective. When you tell it what you want to do, it will make every effort to do so by generating to-do lists and tasks for itself. Therefore, if I were to just give it one prompt, and that is my goal, it would then naturally generate more prompts. Agent GPT can produce its own prompts to continue progressing towards the objective you set, in contrast to Conversation GPT, which requires you to actively give it further prompts. It continues until it makes an attempt to accomplish that goal. Here are a few of the samples it provides to help you come up with ideas, but I'd want to promote YouTube GPT to you. Okay, so this is what you must finish first. Give a name to your agent. Hereafter, we'll refer to it as YouTube GPT. Now consider your objective. In order to teach people about AI, I want to start a YouTube channel with 100,000 subscribers. You're ready to start once you've chosen your agent and established your objective. Simply select Deploy Agent and watch what occurs. As soon as you give the agent a cue, it will begin to think about it. It will create assignments for itself to finish. Not even further commands need to be sent to it. If you allow it to continue running on its own, it will. Take a look at this part over here. It involves creating YouTube videos on AI for both novice and expert audiences. Then it will give you ideas for what it intends to do next, such as producing and releasing high-quality videos on a regular basis, promoting the channel on social media and other websites to draw viewers, interacting with subscribers, inviting feedback and suggestions for new subjects and subject matter for videos, and much more. It never stops creating new chores, it just keeps going. In other words, it's not just writing a list, it's actively attempting to complete those activities independently before continuing. It is now unable to browse the internet since it lacks connectivity. You may need to check out Agent GPT and run it on your PC if you want to investigate that. But don't worry, Agent GPT is still performing a variety of tasks that would require me a significant amount of time to investigate and understand. You can see that after finishing a task, it moves on to the next one, giving itself a tick mark and highlighting it in green. Agent GPT is a fantastic program that, by creating tasks and plans and then carrying them out for you in front of your eyes, essentially eliminates all of the guessing and research for you. Moving on, Jasper AI can help you create content for your website, blog, social media accounts, and more. It works swiftly and precisely to produce content that is beneficial to SEO and optimized for search engines. You may discover a range of templates on the Jasper AI website for things like ads, blogs, businesses, creators, emails, and more. After selecting a template you like, you can tell the AI what to write about. You can give your project a name and a succinct summary. It need not be extremely lengthy. Even the voice tone you wish to employ is up to you. There are various choices, including a brand new function called Brand Voice. You can produce material with this tool that reflects the personality and style of your brand. You have the option of typing a brief text entry or pasting a link to an article. In order to develop content that is consistent with your speech, the AI will analyze the text and learn about your voice. It's fantastic since it enables you to write consistently, especially when you do blogs and other types of writing. When you're ready, just click Generate, and Jasper AI will produce high-quality content for you right away. Additionally, Jasper AI has read around 10% of the internet, making it informed about a wide range of subjects and market segments. No matter what subject you're writing about, they can assist you. Next, we have Google Bard, which is a recent experiment that Google has made public and is referred to as a chatbot powered by artificial intelligence. Google Bard is a direct rival to OpenAI's ChatGPT and Microsoft's Bing. Go to bard.google.com and sign in using your Google account, which you most likely already have, to access Google Books. You have the choice of typing your prompts into this prompt box or speaking into the microphone to create prompts. Bard reacts incredibly swiftly. It might have the quickest response time among AI chatbots that I've yet to observe. Google even includes a disclaimer warning that Bard might provide offensive or misleading content that doesn't reflect Google's opinions. Another alternative is to click Google, which will perform a relevant search on Google and direct you to a Google web page. Additionally, if we select this, we have the amazing choice of either reporting the rapid responses to Google Docs or drafting an email through our Gmail account. Since the majority of you probably use Gmail and Google Docs, this is a remarkably effective and time-saving method for doing your work quickly. Overall, Google Bard is the fastest AI writer I've encountered thus far and is especially helpful when working with Gmail and Google Docs. We have reached the end of this video. Please like and subscribe for more AI automation content in the future.